Today's recipe is sour cream donut muffins. Alright, we're going to whisk together our sour cream. These donuts are super easy to make, all in one bowl, which is great. And then we're going to put in our eggs. And our vanilla. Some melted butter. And some oil. And our sugar. And we're going to whisk that all together. Now, if you don't have sour cream on hand, you could use plain Greek yogurt. It'll give it a little bit of a different taste. And now we're just going to add our flour, our baking soda, and our salt. And we're going to fold that all together. Like I said, this is such an easy recipe. It's all in one bowl. Spoon, rubber spatula. It's all you really need to make this recipe. Fold it all in to incorporate it all. You could always add some cinnamon or nutmeg if you like. Now I've greased my muffin tin and we're just going to fill it up about 3/4 full. And we'll put it in a 350 oven for around 20 minutes. Then we'll take them out and we'll let them cool completely before we add our vanilla glaze on top. Now to make the glaze, we're just going to add our powdered sugar, some milk, and some vanilla. Stir that all up. You can add more milk if you want to get the desired consistency you like. And I like not too much glaze on these muffins, but if you like more glaze, just make more, and you could dip the whole muffin in if you choose. But I just drizzle some on top. And then let sit for about 25 minutes to harden, and then they'll be all done. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.